Blessed Love family, I've wanted to come and talk a bit more about the sudden and untimely passing of our beloved Vaughn Benjamin, formerly of Midnite reggae band, which hails from St. Croix in the U.S. Virgin Islands, which changed its name in 2015 according to an oath, and New Direction by Vaughn, the lead singer and one of the co-founders of the band. So Midnite started in 1989 by two brothers, Ron, the older, and Vaughn, who we are now celebrating the life of, his life works. And I must say he has left us a legacy. In one of my favorite tracks from the Unpolished album of 2001, Vaughn had said in his propaganda that he's not going to leave until his groundwork is accounted for. He's not going to leave until he's done his work. So family, let us just take this that his work here is done, even though I do question the sudden passing of this brother. Vaughn Benjamin was only 50 years old. Only 50 years old. Yet he released over 70 albums in his very short life. I tell you what, family, this has really, in Jamaican terms would say, hit me for six. This one has really hit me to the core. I know that the flesh has to fail us. The flesh will have to go for us to ascend onto a higher dimension. However, when reality hits home that our beloved ones have entered into that realm, it's one of the most difficult things that we as human beings have to cope with. And I tell you what, this one has rocked so many of us right across social media, right across the world. The roots reggae community, the conscious community, African people, the Rastafari community, St. Croix, Jamaica, the entire Caribbean, the entire African diaspora, Brazil, everybody. We're pouring in our condolences and we're pouring in our tribute to this beloved family. The word, sound, and power of Vaughn Benjamin and Midnite has helped to shape me into the woman that I am today. And I must say, gratitude. This is raw emotions, family. And like Vaughn says, your eyelids have to rain sometime from his Livicated album. And right now, I am not going to edit this video. Neither am I going to try to cover anything. This is raw emotions. And like I say, I keep it real. And I'm going to keep it real. And this is how I am feeling today. It is a very tough one. It is very difficult. However, I will seek to find comfort in his life works. And in the meantime, family, we have to hold firm and we must support each other throughout this difficult time. Until we meet again, farewell, my beloved teacher, my great elder, Vaughn Benjamin. Blessed love. Real Empress Yuda. Family, the day has finally come. Today is the day of the Akae Beka live in London at the Brixton Hootenanny. And I am super elated. I could not wait for this day, this glorious day. This day when Akae Beka, previously Midnite band out of St. Croix, the most prolific roots reggae band, is going to be playing here tonight. And I'm here. Yes, yes, yes. Akae Beka. I'm here. Hootenanny, I'm here. I'm here. Finally here. I'm overjoyed, joyful to the max. Give thanks, blessed love. I get a few more clips for you guys. I'm not gonna do a full recording, but I'm gonna be doing some clips. Give thanks, bless up.
Spectrum. white dog song. Sing crossover hit song. Sing some mainstream pop song. I still sing those faithful love songs. Emotion, emotion, emotion. That's all you with them and emotion, emotion. You come and sing the test in the whole human spectrum. From broad to narrow down sound. Sing some rude white dog sound. Sing some mainstream pop song. Sing crossover hit song. And then sing those painful love songs. Emotion, emotion, emotion. When the deeds show up, that the words come to action, the whole world acts surprised and stunned. Extremes of emotion, emotion. Yeah, yeah, how you put it in motion, emotion. Yeah, yeah, that's how you put it in motion.